Is the gap between the rich and the poor growing? Who has the responsibility to bridge this divide? Is it the government, the wealthy, or perhaps a combination of both? These questions are not only philosophical but also economic, and they have been debated for centuries. In recent years, we've seen a resurgence of these debates. Back in 2022, for instance, 102 millionaires, including Disney heiress Abigail Disney, signed an open letter calling for governments to increase taxes on the wealthy. They argued that the current tax system is unfair and erodes trust between regular people and the elites. Fast forward to April 2024, and the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's government proposed higher capital gains taxes on the wealthy. This, they said, would support young voters, with billions in spending on education, housing, jobs, and mental health services. The budget included a staggering $53 billion in new spending over 5 years. In the same vein, United States President Joe Biden renewed calls for higher taxes on the rich, criticizing his rival Donald Trump for being out of touch with working-class Americans. Biden proposed a minimum tax rate of 25% for billionaires, contrasting it with Trump's pledge to maintain the corporate tax rate at 21%. However, these tax proposals have not been without criticism. For instance, the Business Council of Canada called Trudeau's budget proposal good politics but bad economic policy. To summarize, the debate around wealth taxes and the responsibility of the wealthy in addressing economic disparities is far from over. While some argue for higher taxes on the rich, others call for a more balanced approach that doesn't stifle economic growth. The outcome of these debates will undoubtedly shape the future of our global economy, affecting not only the wealthy, but every citizen who partakes in this interconnected financial system.